You're not distracted. Your brain has been trained to be distracted. Follow for more videos like this. Every day, you check your phone hundreds of times. Notifications, reels, short videos. Your brain keeps jumping from one thing to another. And slowly, your attention span starts shrinking. Now even 5 minutes of focus feels hard. You sit to study, but your mind says just check your phone once. And that once turns into 30 minutes. This is not your fault completely. Your brain is addicted to dopamine. Every scroll gives you a small reward. Fast, easy, instant. But real work? It feels slow, boring, and difficult. So your brain avoids it again and again until you lose control. And then you start thinking, why can't I focus like before? Here's the truth. Your brain needs retraining, not motivation. First, reduce distractions. Keep your phone away when you're working. Second, start small. Don't try to focus for 2 hours. Start with just 10 minutes, then slowly increase it. Third, train your mind to be bored. Sit without your phone. No music, no scrolling, just silence. It will feel uncomfortable at first, but that's where focus is built. And finally, be consistent, because focus is not talent, it's a skill. And like every skill, it improves with practice. So next time you say, I can't focus, remember this: you're not broken, you're just distracted, and you can fix it.